Okay, so this is my newest project. This is Oahu, 1934, given to me by my family, actually for a planter, but I decided to make it playable years ago. But the top was coming off, so I stuck stickers on it to keep it from folding in. But I just put in this Fender Mesquite pickup into it because I didn't want to drill any holes in the thing. And then I hooked it up to a little Behringer like monitor amp with no preamplification, just from the monitor itself, which has a little preamp in it. But it's a sweet little sound to it. Well, buckets of rain, buckets of tears, all them buckets coming out of my ear, buckets of moonbeams in my hand. You got all the love, honey, baby, who can't stand it. Pretty cool.